Hi, in this video, I'm going to continue second part for solving practice question sequences. So determine U1, U2, and U3. So we just need to substitute it here. So U1 is gonna be 5 times 1, and then U2 is gonna be 5 times 2, and then U3 is gonna be 5 times 3. So we got this 5, 10, and 15. Next, we just need to substitute again, like U1, so it's gonna be 3, 1 plus 4, and then 3 times 2 plus 4, and next 3 times 3 plus 4. So this will give us the answer of 7, 10, and 13. Next question is 12 minus 3 times 1, then 12 minus 3 times 2, and then 12 minus 3 times 3. So this will be 9, 6, and 3. Next, we got 4 multiplied by n, 1 minus 6, and then 4 times bracket 2 minus 6, and then 4 times bracket 3 minus 6. It's gonna be minus 20, minus 16, and minus 12. Next here, so 2 times 1 over 2, 1 minus 1, 2 times 1 over 2, 2 minus 1, and then 2 times 1, 2 power of 3 minus 1. So this will give us the answer of 2, and it's going to be 1, and then 1 over 2. Next for F, so 1 times 2, 1 minus 1, 1 times 2, 2 minus 1, and then 1 times 2 power of 3 minus 1. So this we will get it 1, 2, and then 4. Number 8. What are the first 5 terms of the sequence divided as un, n squared minus 2n, and then plus by 4? So we just need to substitute it when this is n equal to 1. So u1, and then we need to find it u1, u2, u3, u4, and then u5. So u1, 1 square minus, okay, we can write it here, 1 square minus 2 times 1, and then plus by 4, u1. u2 is 2 square minus 2 times 2 plus by 4. Let us make it different. So 1 square minus 2 times 2 plus by 4. Next, oh, it's not 1, it's 2. 2 square because u2, so 2 square. Next is 3, so 3 square minus 2 times 3 plus by 4. Next is 4 square minus 2 times 4, and then plus by 4. The last, we got 1, 2, 3, okay, u5, which is 5 square minus by 2 times 5, and then plus by 4. So from this, we will get it. Okay, let me write it here. So first is 3, 4, 7, 12, and 19. Okay, next, number 9. Determine the formula for the general term. Okay, we will check from here. So 5, 2 minus 1, and then minus 4. Let us find the difference. So this is minus 3, okay, minus 3. So this will be minus 3n. So minus 3 to make it 5. So it's gonna be 8. So this is the formula. So if un equal to minus 64, find the value of n. So un minus 64, so 8 minus 3n equal to 64. So this 8 plus 64 equal to 3n. So we got 64 plus by 8 is gonna be 72 equal to 3n. So n equal to 72, we divided by 3, which is 24. So n equal to 24. Now find U30. Okay, here U30 equal to 8 minus 3 times 30. Okay, we got 8 minus by 90. So U30 equal to minus 82. Okay, number 10. The first 5 terms of the sequence is 10, 17, 26. Okay, show this is a quadratic term. So if the quadratic term need to be, there are 2 difference. So we can check it from here. How many different are there? 10, 17. After 17 is 26, 37, and 50. So this is the first difference. Plus by 7. Plus by 10, and then 27 to 30. Okay, a moment, let's check it again. It's not 27, 26. So, moment, so this is 26. Okay, so let's check it. So 10 to 7 is plus by 7, and then 26 it's gonna be plus by 9. After 9 is 26 plus by 11. After 11 we will plus by 30. Okay, 13. Okay, we got the second difference. So this is plus 2, and then plus 2. So this is, we show it, this is quadratic formula. B, determine the next term. So after 50, so this is plus 2. So this is plus by 15. So 50 plus by 15 is going to be 65. So this is 65. So determine a formula for the n term. So this is the quadratic equation. Okay, so the first difference, we got 7. Okay, so here is gonna be 2a. The second difference, so the first difference will be, we got 6, and then 2, 10 to be 7, okay. 10 to 7, and then 8, and then okay, 3a. So we'll make it 10 to be 7. Let's check it here. So this is plus by 2, so it's gonna be 2a, isn't it? 2a. And then the first difference is gonna be 3a plus b. Here it's gonna be 3a plus b. Then the last 10 is will be a plus b plus c. Okay, let's check it. So 2a equal to 2. So a equal to 1. So next, if 3a plus b equal to 7, so this is 3a is 1 plus b equal to 7, so b equal to 7 minus by 3 is 4. Okay, we got it now. We got a plus b plus c equal to 10. A is 1, b is 4, so it's 5 plus c equal to 10, so c equal to 5. So we got the general rule of it. So the general rule is here. Let me write it. So a n square plus by bn plus by c. Okay, a is 1, so it's gonna be n squared plus b is 4, 4n, c is 5 plus by 5. Okay, there it is. So calculate the value of 50 terms. So we make it 50 squared plus by 4 times 50 plus by 5. So it's gonna be 2705. Next 11, let me zoom out. Okay, determine a formula for the n. Okay, we can see from here, this is special case. Square number. So the Tn equal to n square. Next for the sequence B. Okay, we should make it from here. Let's check it 4 and then 13, 28, 49 and 76. So 4 and 13, the difference 4 and 13 is gonna be, this is plus by 9 and then plus by 15. After 15 we need to plus by 21. After 21 we plus by 27. Let's find the second difference. 9, so this is plus 6 plus 6 plus by 6. Okay, so we can make it, this is 2a. After 2a, here is 3a plus b, and last a plus b plus c. Okay, we got it. So if 2a equal to 6, so a equal to 3. Next, we got 3a plus b equal to 9. So 3 times 3 plus b equal to 9. So 9 plus b equal to 9. So b equal to 0. Next, for the c, a plus b plus c equal to 4. So a is 3, b is 0, c we don't know yet. So c equal to 1. So we will use it to a n square plus b n plus c. So a is 3, so 3 n square plus b n is 0 and then plus by 1. Okay, there it is. Thank you.